Today I'm unboxing the Donner DED-200 Max. Donner makes some great electronic drum sets, and I'm super excited to open this and see what's inside. Let's open it up and check it out. Right on top is the user manual, drum pad 1, and the colors on this are amazing. Drum pad 2, accessory cables and the power cord, module, cymbal pad 1 and 2, drum stool bracket, a hi-hat pedal, a snare, and the tom, drum stool. It comes with headphones, kick pedal, a hi-hat, kick pad, and the drum rack. This is all looking super great so far. The quality looks amazing. Let's put this thing together and see what it looks like. All right, here it is, the Donner DED-200 Max. I gotta say right off the bat, this is probably one of the most highest quality drums that I've unboxed so far. It's heavy duty and it was really easy to put together. Both the snare and the floor tom are huge, which is great because most electronic drum sets come with just one size, which makes it kind of hard to hit the drums sometimes. What I really like about this drum set is it literally comes with everything that you need to get started playing drums. From the headphones to the drum stool, all the way down to the drumsticks. And I love the fact that it comes with a 12-inch crash and a 12-inch ride. You have so many different tools at your fingertips on this module. You have all kinds of different drum kits. There's a click built into this so you can play along to the click. There's different songs built in so you can play to different songs. And there's USB MIDI out so you can plug it straight into your computer. I'm loving everything I'm seeing on this so far. A really good thing about this drum set also is you can just fold it right up and put it to the side and it's out of the way. Let's play on this thing and see what it sounds like. This drum set is quality. Donner, thank you so much for sending this drum set and sponsoring this video. Let me know your thoughts. Are you going to be buying this drum set? I absolutely recommend it. If you were to get this drum set, I'm sure that you'll be happy with your purchase. Make sure to drop me a comment. Let me know where you're watching this from. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.